Quick video about license and registration. Two things that are required when you fly. You got to have your drone license on you. Here is what a drone license looks like. So, if you have your Part FAA Part 107 FAA Part 107 license, you will have a license sent to you after you pass the test. You get one in your lifetime. So keep it, have it with you, tuck it next to your license in your wallet, and you'll be good. I think that's what everyone does. Even if when you go to renew your license and get renew every 2 years, they're not going to send you a new license. They just keep track of your number and in their system and know that you have passed or not. So that's important to keep track of this license, keep that safe, have that with you. I like to have that license, not only the hard copy with me, but I have a copy with me in my flight book. That way, I always have it just in case. So, back up and lends to credibility. You also have your license, your registration numbers for your drones, which you should have with you at all times. So go to Drone Zone, FAA Drone Zone, and you can download a PDF of your registration. That's what these paper copies are. So, what you can do is, what I like to do is have them with me, punch them, put them in a binder, have that binder with you along with any other relevant paperwork, right in your drone flight bag, and you have everything with you. So you have your paper copy of your license in there, and you have paper copies of all the drones that you fly. So whatever you're flying, you have that that registration with you. So the drone needs to be registered. You got to go to the FAA Drone Zone, pay the $5 per drone, lasts 3 years, I believe. They'll send you an email when those expire. So you got to just log in and pay your $5 every couple of years. But keeps it legal. You got to put the registration number on the drone, on the outside of the drone, and that's all part of the Part 107 requirements that we need to do. But we won't get into that. But we have another course on that. But license and registration, something that's important to do. You just got to get it organized up front. Once you do, you're good to go for forever, right? So just get that straight and you're good to go.